Smoothies can be boring, but we can make them fun. Just drying different fruits and veggies in them and different powders. Today I'm going to be making one that has pear, banana, as well as some fresh ginger. Ginger is wonderful for immune system and warming to our body. Cinnamon as well is wonderful to warming to our body. I've already added a little bit of water in the bottom here. I'm just estimating everything at the moment, but I will have directions down below. I like to blend up this first, and then I'll be back and we'll add the powders. I enjoy ginger, but not too much ginger, so you can always play around with how much ginger you want. I'm going to also add in some maca powder. Maca is great for our adrenals. Ground chia seeds and the cinnamon. With using pear, I find the texture is quite unique. I like the ginger amount that I included here. Enjoy!